Welcome to the THS video on making Cornell notes. This is the first video in the THS revision set for 2018. Today we'll be focusing on how to make Cornell notes as well as giving you an example. For this you will need an A4 piece of paper, a 30cm ruler, a set of coloured pen stroke pencils, a textbook stroke set of given information. Today we are going to be using the GCP revision guide for biology. We will be focusing on the kidneys to demonstrate how to make a Cornell note. First you will need to draw a line across the top of the page. This is where your title will go. Next you will draw a line horizontally across the bottom of your page, about 4 lines from the bottom. This is going to be where the summary will be. Draw a line down the margin, or a ruler's width between the top and the bottom line. This is where we will write the subtopic. The first piece of information that I'm going to write is about the functions, so in the margin I'm going to write functions. For key facts I'm going to use a red pen. The functions of the kidneys is to remove urea, the adjustment of ions, and the adjustment of water content from or in the blood. Now I'm going to leave a line, and in a different colour I'm going to write ultrafiltration. This is a process, so I'm going to choose blue for this. I will keep going through this until I have summarised the topic. When writing Cornell notes, write each different type of information in different colours. You might also draw diagrams, but make sure you are not just copying out of the textbook. At the bottom of the page I'm going to write a summary. In this I'm going to summarise everything I've wrote in the notes above using 2 sentences only.